Navigating the Pixel Android desktop. Hello, how you doing today again? Welcome to another episode of TDMS Mobile, your mobile tech guy. I'm Timko. The Google Pixel Android desktop. Today I'm going to cover navigating the Android desktop on the Google Pixel. We'll cover the taskbar, notifications, the desktop itself. We'll take a closer look at window management. Just like Windows, the taskbar is at the bottom of the screen. All the way to the right is the Android's 3-button navigation. It's the same you find on your phone screen, but it is a little different. This triangle is still the backspace. The circle is still the recent button, but the square button brings up the desktops. And we'll show that later. In the middle of the taskbar is the app drawer button, where you can also have pinned applications. So this is the app drawer button. Chrome Beta, Solitaire is my pinned applications. These applications are open applications on this desktop and other desktops. So all your open applications show on the taskbar no matter what desktop. And within the app drawer is a search, which is a unique feature. So it comes up with these web searches, Google searches, YouTube search. It will even search the Play Store. The last feature of the taskbar I'll cover is the window key and the / key that brings out the keyboard shortcuts. If you have an app open that has keyboard shortcuts, it will appear there too. So if you had noticed, it highlighted Docs first. It didn't highlight System, multitasking, or anything about the Android desktop environment itself. It went straight for Docs. So let me show you an application that does not have keyboard shortcut. This is a free and open source file manager, and there's nothing. So if you want to learn something about the applications that may have keyboard shortcuts because you like using the keyboard more than the mouse, that's a way to learn. The desktop is very simple and clean. I hope in time it does evolve more. The Android desktop has no widgets. I can't place any apps on the desktop, folders or files. It's not as mature as the Samsung DeX Android desktop. At the top of the desktop is the status bar, just like you would find on your phone screen. All the way to the left is the time. All the way to the right is the notification and other information. If you click on the time, or if you click on the notifications all the way to the right, you get the same drop-down menu. Window management. When you resize, minimize, maximize, close, drag, or snap a window, what you're doing is window management. The title bar is the very top of the application. That's it right here where my cursor is. In the title bar are the control buttons, which is these here all the way to the right. Close, restore, maximize, minimize. And then over here to the right on the title bar, this is what's called the window state menu or window handle next to the application icon. It is a drop-down menu where you can, if you want to use the mouse, literally go full screen, split screen, And we can even click on it still, split screen if we wanted to, and back to the desktop window. And again, maximize. Some system navigation. If you want to use apps full screen menu, you can use keyboard shortcuts. So if we press the window key and the control key and the up arrow key, the application will go full screen. Same with the window key and control key, but this time the down in the window goes back to the window, non-full screen. Another neat thing is you have 4 desktops available. So I showed you with the mouse, those are the desktops. But you can navigate the desktops with the keyboard. So if you press the window key and the control key in either bracket, the right or the left, and you can go back and forth. But if you want to use the mouse, so now I'm going to show some desktops. Press the square, put your arrow, press the control button, and now you can use the wheel on your mouse to scroll back and forth in the windows. The arrow needs, your cursor needs to be in the desktop area. If you want to add a desktop, you just press this here icon. And see, now this is the 4th desktop. There's no more icon anymore. To get rid of a desktop, drop it down, press the clear, and now you're back to 3 windows. Conclusion. Yes, the Google Pixel Android desktop is not a Samsung DeX experience. You can navigate the Pixel Android desktop? Yes. Can you do email, surf the webs, do some online shopping and other productivities things? Yes. So navigate an Android desktop system, window snapping and more. You know what I know. Thank you. Have a great day.